How to find your profile ID in Rainbow Six Mobile. Welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for your profile ID, sometimes also called player ID or user ID in Rainbow Six Mobile, then here's how to find it. First of all, launch the Rainbow Six Mobile game and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're inside this main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner. Once you're inside this profile customization page, go to the bottom and you will see this user ID displayed. Tap the copy button to copy your player ID or your user ID. It is usually a long alphabet mixed with number. You can also manually write it down for support or sharing. So there you have successfully found your user ID or your profile ID on Rainbow Six Mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.